Hello, good morning students. Yesterday in your last class I told you about the polynomials, and in self practice 5A we have completed question 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to continue with question number 4. In question number 4 you have to tell about the degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? The highest power of a equation is the degree of a polynomial. We can see it here in equation A, 7 plus 3y plus y square. So as in first case degree is 0, second term degree is 1 and third term degree is 2. So with what is the degree of this equation? The degree of this equation will be 2. Same way you see B part, 9p cube plus 16q square. In this, P is having degree 2 and P is having degree 3 and Q is having degree 2. So which is the highest degree? 3. The degree of this equation will be 3. See the C part, 8a square b, ab square minus 5ab plus 2. Here degree is 3, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 plus 1, 2 and here degree is 0. So which is the highest degree in the C part? 3. The degree of this equation is 3. Now see the fourth part. In the fourth part, 3x cube plus 5, 15 plus x minus 2x square. So here the highest degree is 3. As you see, x is having power 3. The highest degree is 3. The degree of this equation will come to know be 3. Then see the E part, 0.5x square y plus 0.25 xy square plus 6x square plus 0.75. There you see in the first term and second term the degree is 3. Okay, the highest degree of this equation is 3. So, is it clear to you all? If you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts. Now, come to the next part. Next question. In next question, question number 5. Determine whether the given polynomials are monomial, binomial, trinomial or none of these. Then state the degree. Of polynomial. Then state the degree and the coefficient of the polynomials. A part. Now here we have to tell the three things. First of all, which type of equation it is, whether it is binomial, monomial or trinomial or none of this. After that you have to tell the degree and at last you have to tell the coefficient of the polynomial. Okay, at last we have to tell the coefficient of the polynomial. So when it is monomial, for single term we say monomial, for two terms we say binomial, and for three terms we say trinomial. Is it clear? Now second, what it is asked? Degree. What is a degree? The highest power in an equation. And last, coefficient of the polynomials. In last we have to tell about what are its coefficients. Now see first one. 5c square d. So it is what? It is having one term, it will be monomial. Second, it is asked about the degree. So what is the degree? 2 plus 1, 3. So here degree will be 3. And what is its coefficient? The coefficient of the polynomial will be 5. Coefficient of polynomial will be 5. Clear? Because 5 is only their coefficient in 5c square d. So what will be the coefficient? 5. And what will be the type of equation? That will be monomial. And what will be the degree? C square d means c is 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 will be the degree of the polynomial. Now see B part of it. Now in B part, what is the equation? 12x square plus d. So it is what? It is having two terms, is it? It is having two terms, so it will be binomial. And what will be its degree? Degree will be 2 because highest power is 2. And what will be its coefficient? Coefficient will be 12. Its coefficient will be 12. And 1. Two coefficients are there, na? Because it is having two terms, so 12, and when there is no number, it is 1. So it will be having two coefficients, 12 and 1. Okay? Is it clear to you all? Now see the C part. C part 15n square minus 2p plus 5. So here what is the, which type of equation it is? Three terms are there. So in case of three terms you will have trinomial. And what will be the degree of this equation? Degree 2 and 1, it will be 2. And what is its coefficient? So here 15 minus 2. And 15 and minus 2 will be its coefficient. 15 and minus 2. So its coefficient are 15 and minus 2. Now next part till here C is completed. Now D part. So in D part, what is there? Eight x minus 5y square plus 11x cube. So which type of equation it is? How many terms are there? 3. So what is the kind of equation? It will be trinomial, and what will be its degree? Degree will be what? 1, 2 and 3. So degree will be 3 and its coefficient will be 8 minus 5 and 11. 8 minus 5 and 11. Because here all the three terms are having variables now. So its coefficient will be 8 minus 5 and 11. Now see the E part of this. Is it clear to you all till here? Any confusion? If you are having any confusion, you can clarify your doubts. Now see the E part. 12ab minus 8a square b. So here how many terms are there? 1 and 2. So it will be binomial. And what is this degree? Degree is, see, 2 plus 1 3 and here 1 plus 1 2. So here degree will be 3. And what are its coefficient? 12 and minus 8. What are its coefficient? 12 and minus 8. So this is about the types of equation and its coefficient. Now see the F part. So in F part, minus 7a cube plus 5a square b minus ab square plus 10b cube. Now see here, as what you can see, how many terms are coming here? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to tell monomial, binomial, trinomial or none of these. It is not monomial, binomial or trinomial. What it will come? It is none of these. Means it is none of these type of equation. What is the degree? Now see its degree 3, 3, 3, 3. Degree is 3 and what are its coefficient? Minus 7, 5, minus 1 and 10. So what you have seen in this part, as it is coming 4 terms, so it is not binomial, monomial or trinomial. So it comes under the category none of these. Next is degree. What is it degree? Degree is 3 because maximum power of variable is 3. Now comes what are its coefficient? So minus 7, 5, minus 1 and 10. These are the coefficient of these equations. Now is it clear to you all up till here? Question number 5. Okay. Now we are going to continue with question number 6. Arrange the given polynomials in order of decreasing, in order of decreasing power of x, decreasing degree in x. So see first one, your equation is 4x plus x square minus 8. So we have to write in decreasing order of power of x. So here x power is maximum here. So your answer will be x square. Then come 4x because here 2 power, here 1 power. So plus 4x minus 8. Is it clear? See, x is having maximum power, so x square. Then 4x is having, then 8. X square plus 4x minus 8. This is called decreasing degree in x. Now see same way b part. 8x cube minus 3x minus 12 plus 6x cube. So here which is having the maximum power? Which is having the maximum power? 6x cube. So this will come first. Then comes plus 8x square minus 3x minus 12. Correct? You have to write in decreasing power. So decreasing degree. So x cube is maximum degree. Then comes x square. Then comes minus 3x. And then at last comes minus 12. So this is in the decreasing order of the degree in x. Now see next part of it. Till here, is it clear to you all? If you are having any confusion, you can clarify your doubts. Now see the C part. In C part, x square y minus 3y cube plus 4x cube minus 2xy square minus 2xy square. Now here, don't look over y because we have to see only the power of x. We have to write in decreasing order of x. So here x, where is the maximum power? In the third term. So first what will come? Third term 4x cube. Then where it is? First one plus x square y. Then where? Last fourth term minus 2xy square. And at last minus 3y cube where no degree of x is there. So here be very careful. You don't have to see y. Because in question it is clearly given degree in x, decreasing degree in x. So we have to see only x here. Okay? Till now we are getting one variable, so no problem was there. But here as a two variable, so we will see only x. D part. 2x square y minus 8 xy cube plus x cube minus y cube plus 3xy. Now here you see. You have to see which powers, students? Which powers you have to see? X. So here x cube will come first. Then with degree 2 will come. So here you will get 2x square y. Now you see this and this both So you can take anyone first. It is not a problem. 3xy minus 8xy cube. Then which is remaining? Minus y cube. Okay. So what you have done? Taken decreasing order of degree of x. So here both are coming same because x is having one power only. So you take whether this firstly or this firstly. No problem is there. Okay. But as we can say that we are taking y decreasing, na? Y increasing power. So it's better to take 3xy firstly. But there will be no difference if you take 8xy firstly and 3xy after that. So is there any problem till here? If you are having problem, you can ask your doubts. You can clarify your doubt because there is no hesitation these days as you are going through with online studies. So you should be very much careful. You have to learn. There is no other option for you in these days. Okay? Thank you and have a good day. That's all for today.